Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a super quick and helpful tutorial for all you Instagram users out there rocking the latest iOS 18 on your iPhones. Ever wondered how to manage Instagram's access to your camera? Maybe you want to make sure it's allowed for those spontaneous story moments, or perhaps you're looking to tighten up your privacy settings. Well, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to either grant or deny Instagram access to your iPhone's camera. Let's dive right in. First, launch the Instagram app and sign into your account. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom rightmost corner. To continue, tap on the menu icon represented by 3 short lines at the top right edge. In the Settings and Activity menu, scroll towards the section labeled Your App and Media. Here, you can find device permissions from the list of sub-items. Tap on it. Under your preferences, look for camera and tap on it. To change or update these settings, tap on the Update Device Settings button. Review the pop-up message, then tap Open Device Settings. You will be routed straight to the Instagram app's permission settings. Find Camera and then tap the switch next to it to enable or disable access. When the switch is turned on, camera access for Instagram is allowed. This means you can use your iPhone's camera to take photos or record videos to post or upload to your Instagram account. When the switch is turned off, access to the camera is denied. And that's it. We hope that this guide is able to help you. If it does, consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more smartphone tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.